Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make the best, fluffiest rice ever. Welcome back to my channel. Don't miss a thing. Let's go step by step and learn how to make very fluffy, delicious rice. You cannot go wrong with this. Hi besties, now first things first, let us measure. As you can see, my cup is 1.5, so I'm going to add in 1.5, and then I get another half to add in the bowl so that it makes 2 cups. Now I know you guys have a magic way of doing it. Some of you guys have a magic way of doing this, but if you have a problem coming up with fluffy rice, separate grains, please follow on the step. Measure your rice so that you know how much water to add in, as we are going to see. Now add your rice in the bowl. Now guys, this is equally important, or even more important. If you want fluffy rice, if you want separate grains, you have to go in with the rice and wash it. And on this baby washing, please wash it, squeeze it, wash it gently, but also ensure that you're removing all the starch, because that starch that stays is the one that makes the rice clump up. Okay, so by ensuring that you're washing properly is going to give you very nice rice. Now I've had some some people say I wash the rice 3 times to 4 times. No, my loves, wash the rice until you get clear water. If your goal is to come up with fluffy rice, please ensure that you have clear water. Just like that. Okay, this is going to give you very nice, very fluffy rice, separate grains. Now I'm going to go in with my gas cooker. Please light your gas cooker, add on your pan, and then you go in with your rice just like that. Add the rice in the pan, and then now remember we are cooking 2 cups. Okay, so we are using a ratio of 1.5 cups of water per 1 cup. For every 1 cup, I'm using 1.5, not 2 cups, guys, not 2 cups, but 1.5 cups. So altogether we have 3 cups. Now, as soon as it starts boiling, add in your salt and your cooking oil so that the rice separates properly. Because you washed it enough, you want it to fluff up properly. With oil will help separate the grains. Okay, so as soon as it starts boiling and you have added in your salt and oil, cover your rice and let it cook for 15 minutes on the lowest heat of your cooker. These are my fruits, guys. Now who knows them? I send you some. They are so nice, so delicious. They are actually passion fruits. So yes, the rice here is ready. I just open to make sure that the water is over completely. Cover it up and put it aside to simmer. Take it off your gas stove and put it aside to simmer for another 15 minutes. This ensures even circulation of heat so that all the rice has cooked evenly. Yes, so after putting it aside, it has simmered. Open it up and fluff it up, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much. God bless you. Ciao.